Stop if you're going to about renovate your Seattle rental. You might be seconds away from wasting tens of thousands of dollars. Because in 2026, rent increases are capped at the state level, and Seattle has its own limit and long notice rules. So you can't just fix it later with a huge rent jump. You have to win with the right upgrade. So today, I'm giving you to 5 upgrade renters actually notice and pay for, and the expensive trap that feels smart but kill the ROI. Here's a rule. Don't renovate for your taste. Renovate for what renters actually notice, value, and will pay more for. So we are targeting upgrade, then do 3 things. The first one, make the place feel newer in 10 seconds. Secondly, justify a higher starting rent. And third, reduce your maintenance and turnover headaches. So let's start. Let's start from upgrade number 5. It's curb appeal. Renters decide whether a home feels well cared for before they even step inside. I always do this 3 low-cost wins. The first one, paint the front door. Clean bold, not weird. Replace a house number or mailbox, just make sure they're modern. And the most important thing, great landscape. Trim, mulch, and some big planters. Number 4, flooring. The old carpet really make a unit feel very questionable, even when it's clean. The rental gold standard is LVP. They're water resistant, scratch resistant, easy to clean, and modern hardwood look without the hardwood drama. So if your property have real hardwood, maybe refinishing it also could be a good move. But from my experience, LVP is definitely the ROI king. Number 3, smart and green upgrade. Not because it is fancy, but it sends the right signal. It's modern and efficient. I always do this 3 trio. Smart thermostat, and it's convenient. And the second thing is LED lighting, just changing around the house. The third one is when the appliance is broken, replace with an Energy Star appliance. This kind of stuff doesn't look expensive, but make a home feel newer and more premium. Now we're going to number 2, which is in-unit laundry, especially for a lot of smaller multifamilies. Renter preference survey consistently rank in-unit washer and dryer as one of the most desired features. And also from our data-driven rent study often show in-unit laundry is associated with a noticeable rent premium. Here's a tip. Find a place that you can install the laundry in your home. But also make sure before you do anything, the plumbing, venting, electrical, make sure it's feasible and it's also permit approved. Now let's go to the number 1 and the most important thing. It's a kitchen and bath refresh. It's not a gut remodel, it's a refresh because renters judge kitchen and bathroom instantly. If those feel dated, the whole home feel dated. Do the 3 parts. Cabinet, repaint or reface. Hardware, one of the most important things. New pools, faucet, light. Small cost, but big impact. Last but not least, the countertop. Make sure it's a beautiful new countertop. This is how you get a tenant to say, wow, this home feels very well cared for and updated. So in 2026, the winning landlords are the ones who are doing massive remodels. They're the ones who are making target upgrade that renters pay for, and that reduce headache long term. At the same time, if you want some second opinion of how to take care of your property and also what to do upgrade between the tenancies, GPS Renting provide the free and non-obligation ROI consult. Feel free to contact us and then we can provide and share our experience with you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.